Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. For that we will need the settings app, so just look for it and tap it. Now you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. It's the fourth point from below, or you look for a gray icon with a big white dot in it and another three gray dots. Now you will choose at the next step here the second point, languages and input. And after the first point, languages. Okay, now you can choose from many languages, and yeah, sometimes you will have also the chance to have a local dialect here, like English. No? Let's choose here the dialect from India. Greetings, by the way. And the phone will change the language automatically then. Just tap on the home button. Takes a few seconds then, and then the phone is ready again with the new language. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos, some more tips and tricks and so on. If you're interested to know, you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.